Ivan Ilyich Cheryakov. He is a minister of the public park. He likes to be with his job and patients. It's hard now. He also likes a lot to his work with high patience, and he loves with all his life her wife. Then the General Mikhail Brasilov came into the theater. Hey, what are you doing?
What do you think am I doing?
Ariel, my dear, come on! Good evening, General. I'm Jacob.
Oh, my pleasure, young man.
She's my robot wife, Ariel.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, she's my wife, Madame Brasilov.
My God, she's horrendous!
Shut up.
What do you think about the movie, General?
About the movie. Alright.
Shut up.
I'm so sorry, General. Sorry. I'm really sorry.
Never mind. Don't worry.
Oh my God, I'm stupid. Sorry. No, this isn't forgivable. No.
It's okay. What? Don't worry. Just don't let people sneeze at you. You shouldn't be sneezed at. Alright. Don't worry. You're okay.
No, I'm truly sorry. Really.
And seriously, don't worry. You just forget it.
Don't worry, go apologize to them.
That's a good idea, actually.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, son.
What's up, Dad? How are you? What's wrong?
I sneezed on the generals
And why did you do that?
because I don't know. It was just a normal thing, but I'm stupid. I'm just a stupid guy.
You should go to apologize.
Yes.
Maybe he won't even worry. It was just an accident, right?
Yes. That's what I'm going to do.
Wait. Remember. Good luck.
Thank you.
Come in.
Excuse me, General. I want to apologize again.
Who are you?
I'm Jacob, the younger man.
Oh yes. Alright, listen, you don't have to worry about that. I thought you had that clear previously, but I will give you an advice. Go home and take a shower, please.
Oh, thank you for your forgiveness. See you, General.
See ya.
Hi, my home.
Dad!
Hi, Dad.
Daddy!
How are you?
Excellent. How was your day?
Did he accept your apology?
Exactly.
Oh,
He
that's
accepted
great.
my apology. I'm happy. I feel fine with me.
Oh, that's great, Dad. Congratulations.
Wait,
What?
maybe he was trying to embarrass me.
What do you mean?
Yes, that was exactly what he's doing. Embarrass me. God, I'm so angry. I'm going to talk with him. Again.
But what about mom? Alright.
Feliz Dia de Muertos. Come in.
General, you were trying to embarrass me. This was your plan since the beginning.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about this.
It was you. You did this. You goddamn good professor. I'm gonna kill you!
God!
Come back here, you little piece of scum!
Oh God, no.
No! Come back here!
The end of this story is quite simple. He just sat in his sofa and died.
The end.
I feel like
Happy,
happy.
relief.
Exactly, happy. Wait. Maybe he was trying to embarrass me.
What do you mean?
He was trying to embarrass me. God.
¡La cagaste!
Thank you.
No. Tienen que verse